ऑनलाईन सर्विसीस लॉन्च केलो ते तुमी सांगले, बट तुमी जेन्ना ऑपोजिशनान आशिल्ले तेन्ना तुमी बीच क्लिनींग आनी ट्युरिस्ट सेफ्टीचेर उलयताले. सो तेचेर तुमी कितें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन, तेचेर तुमी कितें प्लॅन आहा?
बीच क्लिनींग जे उलयलां ताजेर सोल्युशन काडपाची गरज आसा. बीच क्लिनींग सद्या जे चल्लां इज नॉट बींग डन इन अ मॅनर वीच नॉर्मल बीच क्लिनींग वूड बी देर. टायमिंग्स आर मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग टायमिंग्स वीच आय डोंट नो हाव इट हॅज बीन केप्ट इन द पास्ट. पूण इवनिंगच्यान रातचे जे गार्बेज येता, बाकीचे तयारी जाता, देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी आर प्लॅनिंग टू गिव अ व्हेरी क्लियर मेसेज ऑफ सेफ अँड क्लीन बीचीज ऑफ गोवा. सेफ आणि क्लीन बीचीस समज दितले जाल्यार वी वील हॅव टू इंट्रोड्यूस अ इंटिग्रेटेड मॉड्यूल एज फार एज बीचीज आर कन्सर्न. तातूंत वेदर इट इज अ टुरिजम इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंटर्स, वेदर कन्विनियन्स सेंटर्स, whether beach cleaning 24/7, whether surveillance cameras, whether to surveillance cameras to give that safety aspect, proper lighting on the beaches, and also ensuring that proper policeचो staff पुरो जायना जाल्यार त्या खातीर टुरिजमाचो आमकां under tourism we will have to take some people who will be a part of the same plan, under the same people who are getting into this integrated module of बीच क्लिनींग. कित्याक ते शेवटी आयले जाल्यार टावट्स, गायड्स, बाकीचे जे इलिगलिटी चल्ल्या सगळ्यो बिचाचेर ज्यो कंटिन्यूस कंप्लेन येवंक लागल्या फ्रॉम द टायम वी हॅव टेकन ओवर, बीच माय ऑलरेडी बीन नोटिस्ड. आनी बीच समटायम्स टुरिस्ट हॅव अ प्रॉब्लेम ऑर दे कीप कंप्लेनिंग की आमकां हॅरेसमेंट जाता. जशें मिडियाचे आमच्या एकट्या भावान सांगलें, ह्यो गजाल्यो समज सोल्युशन जाय जाल्यार वी वील नीड अ इंटिग्रेटेड प्लॅन which will include all services from ensuring the front end to the tourism fellow who is met, to beach cleaning, to surveillance, to lighting, to safety. And hatun we will need to also have a partnership with the police. So reaction time from the police on these people's complaints should be immediately administered. Hatun ek clean beaches, safe beaches ji message watli, that will also allow tourists to start coming back. बिचार बाटल्यो फुट्टा, बाकीचे आसा, कशें करपाचें, वातावरण कशें चेंज करपाचें, आनी वॉट वी नीड टू डू. I will be talking to some experts on how to get this thing going. So we will definitely not looking at beach cleaning as one module, but we will look at an integrated plan which will include all these services to ensure that north to south beaches allowed quality tourists to come and spend some quality time.
So beach cleaning will be Swaympurna Bharat, Swaympurna Goa, sir, or it will be given to private contractors, because
government is never into
generating industry.
Government cannot be into business. Government are always facilitators. We will get, as some agencies who are qualified enough, we will have to look at it. Consultants will have to tell us how to get this solved, and on this base how to go about. As a pramane आम्ही पुढे वळतो.
So right now Drishti is looking at this beach cleaning.
ना KCIC काय कोणतरी असं दिसतं. KIC काय असे KCIC
KP
असे किती केच्यान किती सुरू होतं.
So second thing is you are trying to promote hinterland tourism, sir, but forest department many of the times are restricting these entries to tourists. How do you look at it?
आम्ही जसे ऑनरेबल सीएमान म्हणलें G20 सारकेली समीट हांगा येवप is a further process of when things happen when Chogam येता. Infrastructure in Goa starts changing. ताज्या खातीर Chogam was the last, and आता मोपा जातकर the next sector of tourism will start opening in a different manner. मोपा जातकर the footfalls, everything will start moving. The type of events like CMN म्हणला G20 सारकेले event आपण गोंयांत हाडटा, which is a very welcome step for Goa, because there again infrastructure wise we will get a lot of support. And in this whole ambit, the type of people coming in will get a bird's eye on seeing how Goa is actually moving towards. So आमचेरूय तितली चॅलेंज आसतली to provide the services in a quality manner to what it is. एक म्हयनो सुद्दां जावना अजून. So hinterland tourism is one of the verticals which we are proposing. There are various ones, adventure आसा, hinterland आसा, medical आसा, हे लोक उलयत आयिल्ले आसा. We need to know हे जेन्ना करता कसले टुरिस्ट get attracted for what. क्वालिटी टुरिस्टांक हाडपाक आमकां कितें जाय त्या प्रमाणे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करपाची गरज आसा. ते हिंदरलँडाचे अंडर आसूं नाल्यार बाकीचे आसूं. वी विल एन्श्योर दॅट दीस थिंग्स गेट अ प्रॉपर प्लॅन टू प्रोसीड.
Sir, monsoons are coming. So how do you look at monsoon tourism in Goa, sir?
Monsoon पावस पडटा.
No, but
tourism,
Goa is promoting
Tourism.
this
See, I think Goa already is moving at 24/7, 365 days. 365 दीस गोंया monsoon सुद्दां आतां tourism footfalls are plenty. We need to only position ourselves well, which we need some time to do it. सगळे टुरिझम जाय, सगळें जाय एक दिसान कांयच जायना. but we need to ensure that we are having a proper plan. So in prospectively, when you start looking at 5 varsa, 10 varsa, 15 varsa, the thought of tourism and looking at Goa, the way to look at Goa changes.